Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
PVC is a contractor favorite because it is easy to work with and is resistant to biological and chemical breakdowns. When installing a vinyl fence, PVC is the only type of vinyl used, therefore it is usually called vinyl fencing.
Take our lead.
The average cost to install a PVC or vinyl fence is $15 to $30 per linear foot, with most homeowners spending $2,848 to $5,696 for both materials and professional installation. A typical 6-foot vinyl privacy fence costs $3,702 to install on average.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Chain link fences. What type of fence lasts the longest? Chain link fences with a galvanized finish that doesn't rust are the longest lasting fences. All other components of the fence are made of steel and are also galvanized, so there is relatively no maintenance.
Take our lead.
Like vinyl siding and windows, vinyl fencing will lose a little of its sheen over time. However, it will not fade. Today's vinyl fencing has a chemical formulation similar to sunscreen. It is designed to permanently reflect the sun's rays and hold its colors.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.